BMW has released a new concept Skytop and they're saying it's comparable to the old 503 and legendary BMW Z8. If I had a dream 5-car garage, and I'm pretty sure I'd pick the Z8, it just sums up everything great about early Bangle, early noughties BMW. The new Skytop could make its way into production if public consensus is positive. Styling is really important if BMW is hoping to pay homage to the Z8 and the 503, and I've got to give it to them. The new Skytop looks amazing. The design uses a similar technique to that of the original BMW Z4, and it's called flame surfacing. It involves a cohesive mix of sharp creases and smooth convex and concave surfaces. I think the rear is particularly elegant and it gives off a similar vibe to that of the Maybach 6, which is saying something. It seems like everyone else is also on the same book as me, because BMW's own Instagram page is overwhelmingly positive. The interior is far more conventional and looks like a copy and paste exercise of the BMW 8 Series interior. That's not necessarily a bad thing though, because that car's interior is very high quality and solidly constructed. The 8 Series interior was a little on the bland side though, but I do think the reddish brown colour theme does resolve that issue. The crystal accents are also nice touches, and they were initially quite controversial on the 8 Series. The Skytop features the top of the range 4.4 litre V8 that produces 626 brake horsepower in Carolina Reaper variety. I have no doubt that if the Skytop did go on sale, it would sell very quickly to those who, let's say, are getting on in age, and perhaps own the original old Z8 back in the early noughties.